Now that I've shared with you why we decided to get a security system with Vivint, I'm thrilled to share with you all of the details about installation and where to put all of your cameras. I truly didn't know what to expect with the installation of our security system because we've never had one before, but I can tell you that I was thrilled from the very beginning with how easy they made it, how uncomplicated, how clear they were explaining everything, and really just how simple they made it for the homeowner. The first tip I have for you is to really examine your house outside and inside. Figure out where you want to put your security cameras. There are a couple areas that get a lot of traffic, right? So the entry to our house, the doorbell camera was a no-brainer because we can keep track of who's coming in and out, especially when we're not home. We can see who comes up to our porch, which is a feature that I really love. We have cameras inside our house as well. We can keep track of babysitters. When babysitters are here with our kids alone, we can just kind of check in. Or maybe if the kids are in a different area of the house, I can just bring up my phone, check and make sure that they're playing nicely downstairs. That peace of mind just means the world to me. When it came to cameras outside our home, we had a couple of ideas, but Vivint was awesome. They made wonderful suggestions and told us exactly which direction the camera would be shooting, showed us exactly what it would look like. I love that there's a keypad that the kids can use, that I can use. They were really willing to work with us as far as where the panel was installed in our home, where all of the cameras went, and they just got it done quickly. One day, our whole security system was done, in place. Probably my favorite features are that you can just pull it all up on your phone and control the whole thing from your phone. The cameras are discreet. They blend in with your home decor, both inside and outside. In fact, there's one right over my shoulder over here, and you can hardly even notice that it's there. I am so excited to share the next phase of this video collaboration with Vivint with you, and that's going to be breaking down how we use our system on a daily basis. But don't forget to head over to the blog, withheart.com, where I will have a special coupon code just for my followers.